May the bright light of each and every new day shine on my thoughts and aspirations. It was all about the vision, the passion, and it was God-given. Who would admit if it wasn't for you, most of us like it wouldn't give it a guy. And like Lupe's song would say, hip hop, you saved my life. You can't try or you pushed us every day. I remember hustling for 5 rand just to, pay the computer, the guy who owned the computer. Aradi Murray, can play around with that computer keyboard, make beats so that we can rap and inspire. Every day.